Morning, morning.
Morning, G. Good morning, gentlemen. Let me actually adjust my audio real quick so I can hear y'all better. Hold on. Let me put that much. There we go. Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society market makers. Good morning, YouTube. It's Monday, March 9th. We're going to try making a couple dollars today. Hopefully, you guys are ready to execute in the markets today because I know I am. The weekend was great, and now I'm ready to make some smoneyes with y'all today. Oh, man. That gap down yesterday was pretty interesting, I will say the least. Pretty interesting. What's up, Scucks? It's one of those things where since we did gap down, we got that close from Friday, 24,66125. 24,66125. So I'm going to see what we could get today. Hopefully we're not chopping. Today's a no news Monday. So we know when there's no news, how the market likes to move sometimes. So let's keep that in mind. In a few more minutes, I'll start going down, telling you what points I'm looking at, everything like that. We'll let some more people jump in here first before I go through it, so I don't have to repeat myself. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to sound like a broken record today. Good morning, Smooth. Gee, how was your weekend, bro?
My weekend was straight. Can't complain.
Okay.
Ready to make some money.
Hey, I'm ready for you to get that payout. Like, that's what I'm waiting for. That's what I'm excited for. I think I'm more excited for you getting a payout than you are for yourself.
Well, yeah, man. Well, base hits, man. Go for base hits today, man.
Yeah, base hit. That's all you should ever go for.
Right.
I'm talking to everybody. That's not just you, G. Don't. Let me get some lines on my chart here. Just in case we got a doodle. The doodle saved me so much money, believe it or not. Because I literally, these lines I put on the charts.
I like it, though. It helps. It helps,
it's like putting the line in the sand. If we don't cross the line, we ain't taking it.
You put it on the candle before, or like or on the candle that's like.
I put it on the. I always put it on the pole of the flag.
The what?
The pole of the flag. So whenever I'm looking for a flag, I put on the pole, the candle that I feel is the pole for the flag.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning, Silk.
How's everybody doing?
Bro, we're living the dream, man. We're alive. We're trading. Doesn't get better than that.
Okay. How's Texas?
Texas was really good. Like, San Antonio was nice. The only thing that I would complain about is it was so gloomy when I was there. I'm like, this is depressing.
Oh, word?
I felt like I was like in Boston.
Oh, snap.
I'm like, I'm gonna have to come back like when it's like the summertime, when it's like nice weather, because it's just too gloomy for me. And then, of course, today in Florida, where I'm at, it's gloomy again. So I'm gonna see sun eventually. Like, I'm gonna see sun eventually.
It's sunny down here.
Well, you don't have to brag, sir. You don't have to freaking brag. All right. Good morning, Iz. Good morning, Rob. Oh man, I'm ready. Your boy is ready to make some money. So let me check our audio on the YouTube streams real quick, just to make sure we're dialed in, and then I'm gonna give you the levels that I'm looking at. Yeah, I heard a piece of the audio. We're sounding pretty crispy. Oh yeah, we're sounding dialed. It is. I feel you, bro. But guess what? Today's a new day. Today's a new day. So it's a clean slate. So don't let it hurt too bad. Today's a clean slate. So right now, what I'm looking at, we got a pivot point. We got a pivot point currently sitting at, let's get it, 461 above us. We got a pivot point below us down at 267.5. VWAP. We got the VWAP currently sitting right at 262.25. The 21 EMA sitting right around 405 there. The close from Friday, 66125. We gapped down yesterday at market open. So I'm just tempted to see what we actually tried doing because we pushed up slightly from the overnight, from the low for the overnight. So I want to see if we possibly start going up because 24,000 was the overnight low. 24,000 was the overnight low. So we're just going to see what we get. I'm going to base hit it. I'm going to rotate through my funded accounts with Tradeify. Switch over to some evals to get them funded. I need to do 2 evals on Tradeify today to get them passed. I need like a grand a piece in those. Then Lucid, then I'm gonna copy trade Apex today. Man, we got a lot to do. Let's see if the market moves well enough for us to get through all of them. Let's see. I will be dropping. I may edit the video myself just so that it's a little bit faster to push out. I recorded a psychology video in San Antonio. And I feel like once you see the psychology video, it's going to help you because it's one, going to let you know you're not the only one dealing with it. And 2, it's going to let you know you're not the only one dealing with it. It's one of those things where as a trader, I feel like we all take things personal when we forget that it happens to everybody. So once you find out that it happens to everybody, there has to be a way to avoid those situations. Good morning, BP. BP's in the chat. Man, I saw him in the flesh over the weekend. Now he's in the chat.
What up? What up?
Good morning, Mr. Steve. Hopefully you had a solid weekend, sir.
Yeah, my overnight trading, I made $900.
Woo! Hot diggity dog. We'll take that. Market's getting ready to open here. Less than 2 minutes now. Less than 2 minutes. But one thing I will say, Steve, I'm happy that you're finding success trading those overnight sessions because, like I tell everyone on these streams, trading's personal. You gotta figure out what works best for you. So if a different session works best for you, better for you, trade it. Like, don't only trade one session when you're first trying to figure this out to see what sessions you like the most. You need to kind of look at all of them to see if there's a certain time that you perform better than other times.
Yep. And you've always said that. You didn't say my system's the only system. I feel like, honestly, you've given me like an idea, and it's like I see it as like a tool for every job. So, I'm trading now, I'm trading then. You know what I mean? I'm not trading all the time, so I'm not getting crazy with it.
Yep.
So, and it's working. So,
hey, that's what I love to see. That's what I love to see. See, that gets me excited, right? That gets me excited because when you see people winning, it lets myself know that I could win. You know what I'm saying? So when you see other people winning, the markets people, don't get jealous. Be happy for them. Be like, if they won, I could win. Because the market does not discriminate. The market does not care who you are. You can get the same results like people that make tons of money in the market. You just have to master that psychology, boys. What's up, Tom? Good morning. Market's getting ready to open here. Less than 20 seconds. Oh, Nelly's. This is about to happen, boys. We about to be trading. Craziness. Here comes market open. Less than 7 seconds.
Go.
Ding, 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 ding. There we go. Market's open. Right through that pivot point above us. We gapped down for the opening last night's session, the overnight session there. So maybe we fill that gap. Plausible. That'd be pretty much like just under 300 points from where we're currently at right now. So or 200 points. Yeah, we're all ready to make some money, bro. Warren, hey, no one's complaining about a 21K practice trade. That's awesome, bro. Good morning, Brett. You're all right. Well, we took out the overnight high pretty quick there. Alrighty. Ooh, Nellies. Ooh, Nellies. I gotta wait till 9:45 because I was ready to click the button already because I've been thinking about trading all weekend. I've been excited to trade all weekend, but I gotta remind myself, patience. We have a system that we use. Let's use it.
You're gonna get more upside into this, so you gotta love it, right? So that.
Oh man, did anyone do anything fun over the weekend? Let me know in the chat. How wild were y'all getting? That's the question.
I flew to Orlando so I can go to Bike Week.
Nice. How was it?
It was lit. It was the last weekend, so you get a lot of stuff for a lot cheaper than the first weekend. But
okay.
The hotels were crazy high.
You went to the one on iDriver or Daytona?
I went to Daytona.
Okay.
That's over there.
Nice, bro. Yeah, more power to you. Like, I've always thought about getting a motorcycle, but I'm like, maybe I shouldn't. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I shouldn't. I figure I might as well just get a boat instead. I feel like I would use a boat more than a motorcycle.
A boat is definitely safer, for sure.
Yeah, I like safe. That's why I'm not trading the first 15 minutes of the market, because your boy likes safe. So we'll take what we can get. Yes, I have, Smooth. I actually knew a guy that used to race them as well. Good morning, Lucas. Are we getting ready to build out maybe like I don't want to say a bull flag because you never know, but a potential little bull flag maybe come down, hold it above that pivot. If we hold above that pivot, we may try still going up. But we do have that selling pressure. All right, we're below that pivot. Market makers must be watching my stream right now. I said I want to hold above it for the bull flag, not below it. All right, there's some buying pressure stepping in, so let's see what we get. All right, 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes, I can officially trade. Let me drink some H2O because your boy's thirsty. Tell me how last night after the Traders Hangout, I drove to go get some food. I was in a drive-thru for an hour. Tell me how by the time I got the food from the place, I was like, I don't feel like eating this. Oh, that's good.
Where was this?
I'm not going to, what's it called? Put myself on blast. Okay. I went to Burger King and get some burgers last night with no buns. And I sat there for an hour in a drive-thru because I was fat. I was stuck in the drive-thru. I hate when cars come behind you so you can't get out, because that's literally what happened to me last night. So I was just sitting there with my compadres in a drive-thru. I feel like this wants to pump, but we gotta clear that selling wick because we do have selling pressure. Don't laugh at me, Will. Don't start that. We all have things we wish we didn't do, okay? Last night, me waiting an hour for food was one of them. I told my girl, like, next time I tell you I'm gonna go get something, just tell me, baby, go to bed. All right, less than 10 minutes now for myself to be able to trade. Anyone know how to unlock Ninja? Are you trading on the web? Because on the regular, if it's downloaded on your computer, you can't lock yourself out. Travis, possibly, bro. Possibly. Today's a no news Monday. Today's a no news Monday, and we know when there's no news and it's Monday, sometimes we chop. It does, but last night it wasn't all that. So I can't wait for my eggs and sausages tonight. Something nice and light. Because I was eating not the best in San Antonio. I only ate 2 meals out there, but I wasn't eating the best. Hey, at least today's market open isn't making me want to FOMO into trades, right? Because it ain't going nowhere. It feels like it's just like Friday, where it's just like real slow. Stocks tumble as oil surges. Alrighty. Ooh, Nellies. Ooh, Nellies. All right, we're going through that 21 EMA right there. Let's see what type of movement we get. Man, that's some good water. You know what I'm saying? Like, when you get some good water, it's just like, ooh, it's refreshing. Makes you feel alive. I don't know if that's just me, but I love drinking some water. All right, let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. I'll move my doodle down. Maybe we build out a little bear flag. I would not mind us building out a bear flag.
Duane would like to see a flag.
I would like to see anything, a flag, moments, anything right now. Well, actually, it could wait. It could wait till 9:45. Actually, market, keep doing what you're doing. You're doing a good job. So, for everyone that was in the chats over the weekend, how did you guys feel about BP being on the stream? Like, how did you guys feel about BP being on the stream? Did you guys enjoy it?
I didn't see that. Is it archived?
It is. It is. It's on. It was the last day in San Antonio. So it would have been Saturday night's Traders Hangout. All right, Smooth is saying fire. We'll take that. We'll take that. I love being able to show you guys different people's perspectives, right? Because no perspective is the wrong perspective of the market. Believe it or not, because we all see the market differently. So the more we all talk about our different perspectives, the easier it will be to decipher what the market wants to do. All right, come on, Betsy. You're getting closer. 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. Oh yeah, that was a little flag on the 1 minute right there. with that doji candle. Yo, this is taking everything in me not to execute a trade. I was wondering, you need to update one or more of your okay. Update the latest version. We want to see, like, normally for my 15, is it the wrong time frame? Let me see what's going on with this. Oh, that's right. I have Smooth. I have the 21. I have the 21, but it's not on my Renko chart. So I got the 21 EMA on my standard candles, but I have no EMA or VWAP on the Renkos. I keep the Renko chart clean, just so that way I could really spot the momentum better. All right, I only got a couple more minutes and I'm officially clear to trade. So your boy's excited. Your boy's excited, but I definitely want to see some more momentum. Not just trying to click the button just to click the button. Especially on funded accounts. We don't want that. Because I'm shooting it if possible. Like, I'm not putting myself under a time constraint. But if I'm able to take like a, what would that payout be? Like a $4,000 payout come like this like Friday? That wouldn't be too shabby. Good job, Scugs. Good job, bro. Make that some money. Make that some money. Yes, we say money here, not money. We say money. All right. Less than 2 minutes for myself. You've already waited this long, Duane. You can wait a little bit longer. You can wait a little bit longer. I want to see if one of my indicators on my trading view is working, because it's not showing me the first 15-minute like chart yet. Weird. I'll know at 9:45. Ooh, that looks like it's going to be a bear flag. It tried. Bulls stepped in. Is it going to wait for me? That's the question. Did the market do that just for me? You know what I'm saying? Here comes 40 seconds for 9:45. Oh, we're touching my yellow line. No!
Yellow line.
Actually move it down just to move it down so I don't like get overly eager. Oh, don't even look at it right now. Jesus. All right, that makes me feel better. We tapped my yellow line, popped right back up. So We got a lot of buying pressure right there, just so you guys know.
It's called, in the market lore, it's called the Duane effect.
The Duane effect. I'm sorry for holding up the market, boys. I apologize.
And I know you'll post that, like, on the fitness side, like, I pressed the market 5 separate times.
30 seconds left for this 15-minute range to be fully completed. And I'm gonna see if this is working or if I'm gonna need to I'll just remove it and add it back. Just so that way I'm not playing around with it. Settings. There we go. 15. Well, I'm officially cleared to trade. Officially cleared to trade now. So now I will be looking to execute trades when I see the moves. But we got to get the moves so I can execute. Because one thing I'm not trying to do, I'm not trying to just click the button and click the button. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? All right. We break my yellow line with momentum. I'm taking it. But I do not like that 5-minute candle. Just so you guys know. That 5-minute candle I do not like.
Definitely felt like it found a little support where it kind of turned over, but look at the that top wick and it's like reversing now.
Yeah. We got no news today. No news today.
Lately, that hasn't mattered though. Like a couple of times, they'll do like a quick like square dance. All of a sudden, like, whoa, where'd that come from?
That is true. That is true. All right, tapping that 21 EMA right now. Tapping that 21 EMA. Let's see how we react up here. Because we did have that little push up, but we got that selling wick on it. So if I was looking for a long, I'd be looking for it above the 21 EMA. Above the 21, not below it. Still showing that buying pressure on this candle, so let's get above this 21. And let's see how we react.
Where's your VWAP, baby?
My VWAP is currently down at 290. 290.
Okay, I'm at 274. That's interesting.
And I'm actually going to have to mark up my chart manually because my indicator ain't working, which is kind of weird. Oh, that's why. Duh. Glad I saw that. Let's see if that adjusts it. So my trading view was acting as if I was still in San Antonio.
That's strange. How did you find that out? What was the difference?
The -5 for the Eastern.
Okay.
It was -4 on the little ticker on the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh, why did it do that? Get all messed up. Oh, actually, I'm wrong. It's supposed to be -4, but my thing is set for -5. There we go. I got it, boys. So -4. I thought it was -5. Don't ask me why. It was -4, but my Lux Algo was on -5. So that's why my 15-minute range wasn't printing on my trading view. So note to self, if that happens, check what time your trading view's on. The low of the 15-minute range, the low of the 15 is 344. 344.
UTC 5, right? For the range, right? The range.
It's minus UTC -4 for New York.
Mine says 5.
Well, mine's 4. Don't ask me, bro. I'm clicking buttons.
I feel like we're starting to do like a math test.
So what, it's supposed to be on 4 or 5, Duane?
4 is for New York.
Okay, I'm on 5.
5 is Chicago.
Okay. Okay, there it is. Now it popped up. So I'm like, man.
We did just pop out of the low that's 15-minute range right there. We came right back in.
It's on the bottom of the range now, right? 15-minute orb, right?
Yeah. Genius. The Renkos are not time based. The ones I have on Ninja, they're not time based. Just so you know. I'm waiting. I could feel it. It's coming.
He's waiting. He's contemplating. Hey, so across the house, my wife is home right now, and I heard like this weird, like, wah! And then I was like, are you okay? I muted the thing, and then she's like, I guess there was a moth that was like hiding that kind of like jumped out, so it's like a jump scare.
That's hilarious.
It's one of those Florida things. Like don't recall seeing that inside.
Yeah. No, I get on my kids so much. I'm like, please close the door. Like, Florida's not the place just to leave your doors wide open because you're going to get something in your house.
Yeah, and that's like, there might be like 4 days a year on a good year where you could just like throw open all the doors. Don't worry about nothing, but
let's see what we get here. Look at that selling pressure on the 2-minute. First trade of the day, 350 right there. I'm gonna rotate to the next funded account. Even if it goes further, just base hitting here. Oh, my bad, folks. You guys weren't seeing my screen the entire time? My bad. That's all. You guys should have said something. My fault, folks. Now I feel bad. You've been just watching a random guy on the internet talk. That's crazy.
Well, that's one thing about you. You are random, but it's in a good way.
Let me make sure my screen's actually showing. All right, we're good. It's Renko bars. It's Renko bars. It shows you the momentum of the market. So it's easier for you to figure out your entries. Okay, appreciate you, Warren. I mean, clicked the button when I was getting ready to rotate without even thinking about it. I'll be targeting that VWAP. Let's see if we get some momentum to the downside. Move my doodle down. Back into the low, this 15-minute range right now. Bullish on.
4.5 minutes till 10 o'clock.
Thank you, Steve. We got 10 o'clock approaching. Do not be in a trade at 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. Why do I say that? When we hit those whole time frames, right? The market likes to be weird. And also, at those time frames, that's when news normally likes to get released. So it's better to, in your mind, just know, never be in a trade at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and 9 o'clock. So that way you don't get chopped up by accident. This is a longevity game, folks. All right, so we just popped up above that 21 EMA. We're starting to get some movement right now. I'm actually happy about the movement. I like volatility and speed. Makes the day go by faster. That's all I'm saying. If we get above this 21 EMA, I want to see us build a flag above it. If we build out a flag above the 21 EMA for like a long, I'll most likely take it. As long as we got that momentum there. 3 minutes now, 3 minutes for 10 o'clock, 3 minutes. I have a minute and a half to see another trade to execute. If not, I'm waiting until 10. All right, we're above that 21 EMA. Let's see if we hold above that 21. No, we're back below it now. Look at that selling pressure. We're still trying to step in. Who is going to win? That's $1 million question for the day.
We are.
That we are, sir. All right, let's see if we get a little flag right here. I want to see this become a flag. All right, Bulls just popped it up. I want to see a red candle above this 21 EMA, and then we go green. We got some previous candle wicks I want to see. It's like swipe. I'll be looking at swipe this 420 level. We already cleared out one wick at 412.25. But the next wick we need to get rid of would be that 420 level. All right. Bear's trying to step in here, but we're back below this 21. So actually, I'll hold that last statement I was getting ready to say.
1 minute until 10.
Thank you, Steve. Without Steven, you guys, I'll be messing up a lot because I'm dialed in looking for a trade. And I would have been in at 10 o'clock.
Hey,
Steve
man,
just saved me who knows how many accounts. Thank you,
well,
sir.
Iron sharpens iron, my friend, because there's been a time I'm ready to jump in, I'm looking at everything else, and like, there's a whole number. So it's like, oh. It's like, because you kind of get like, you get stuck on what you're looking at. So
Yeah, you get hyper focused.
that's it.
It's like the horses with the blinders on. You can only see right in front of you, so you're not looking at all the extra stuff. We're trading the Nasdaq ADI. Good morning. We trading the Nasdaq.
All right, and 10 is here, 5 seconds.
Yep, here comes 10 o'clock. Here comes 10 o'clock. There's 10 o'clock right there. It's a no news Monday, so feel like this could be a potential bull flag right here on the 2 minute, but on the 5 minute, oh, let me not do it that way. Come on, Betsy. Give us something. All right, just sitting right here right now. We need to figure out what we're trying to do. On that 2 minute showing bulls are trying to step in. Same on the 5. But I need them to push. You know what I'm saying? I want us to get above that 21 EMA if I'm going to be taking them long. No clue yet. We need the market to move. Feels like it's gearing up for something.
For what? We have no idea.
Yeah, we do not know what, but it feels like it's starting to build something internally. So, oh, there's my yellow line tab. Let's see if we get some follow through here.
We're still gonna punch through that 20 level, right? Before you go all in.
Yeah.
Because it's, you know, that your line is kind of like right on where the EMA is, so we gotta push it.
We have that selling pressure, so I did just move my lineup just slightly, just so that way I'm not getting in where the selling pressure is sitting.
See, now you're cooking with grease, because it's moving up above. Let's see what happens, huh?
Still got selling pressure up here, so oh, there we go.
What were you saying?
Nothing, because I'm mad. I'm mad. It happened so quick I couldn't jump in on it. We do have this pivot above us right here. We're currently above the middle of the 15-minute range. Now we're below it.
Your pivot 461?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Thank you. I just in the beginning I wasn't able to make sure I was all synced. So.
Yeah, 461 right on the money.
Yep. All right. I'm gonna go buy a lottery ticket. We're actually exact today.
Hey, we'll take it. We'll take it. All right, 630 on that trade right there. So already $1,000 day. We'll take that. Let's rotate. I'm done trading these accounts. I'm gonna start switching through some of these evals now. Made $1,000 in funded accounts today, so now we rotate and let's work on getting some more funded accounts. That is the plan today. Let's get this crack-a-lacking. I made too much money in some of these evals, so I had to make more for the consistency.
So once you make the consistency, though, you can pull that extra money, right?
No, these are evals, so I made too much money in.
Oh, okay, eval. Sorry.
I wish I could. I wish I could pull money from evals, but
Well,
they don't do that. They don't do that.
You could.
All right, so in this one, I need less than $1,000. Less than $1,000 in this one to get this one funded. I'm trying to get back to being fully funded with Tradeify because end of February, I kind of want to till in some growth accounts. So I told myself I'm not activating the growth accounts I already have ready to activate. I only want to activate select accounts. So, alrighty. Sorry, that was a nasty one right there, boys. Oof. Oof. Oof.
Well, something's waking it up.
Izzy, that's crazy, bro. You made pretty much $5,000. Is that funded or eval? Because if you made that $5,000 in an eval, ooh, that consistent, you're gonna be working. Yeah, that was a nasty move right there. And with how aggressive that was,
I wonder if there was some war news or something that dropped because it was like it's moving now.
I'd be looking for a short. With how that just happened, we're right below this 21 EMA now as well. I want to see us build out maybe like a bear flag and take us lower at this point. Because that was aggressive. Give me a flag. Give me a flag. We got 2 more minutes left on the 5-minute candle, 10 seconds on the 2-minute. I want this candle to be green. Let's see if the bulls can hold it green for a second. Yes, they held it green. Perfect. I wanted that candle to be green so it could be a bear flag for us. Come on, flush it.
No, where's the captain? I thought he was on here.
He's on. He was in the chat on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
I was not trying to close, but I accidentally did. 140. Let me possibly get ready to re-enter because I wasn't actually trying to close right there. That was scary. I was looking, I accidentally clicked. Oh man. Jeez Louise. Oh well. Oh well. I'm just gonna rotate. After I just made that mental boo-boo right there. Mind you, I made 140, but that's not what I was going for. See what I need for my consistency on this one. So this one I need 1,000 on. Alrighty. We got some buying pressure. BP's watching. He was taking care of his dog and himself.
What up, dog?
What up, dog? Give me the flushy flush. Give me the full flush. I want the full flush here. Come on, give me the flush. Give me the flush, Betsy. All right, that should be it right there. I should have just got that funded right there on that flush. Let's see if I got it. Let me check. Let me check. Ooh, that's going to be close. 48916. 48916. Let me jump into my Tradeify to see what I needed.
Like we might be getting a flag if it plays right.
So I need less than $100. Less than $100 more on this account, and this one will be funded. So let me just add another hundo. Let me add a quick hundo. Get this thing funded. Watching the Rincos. We got that VWAP below us as well. There we go. So that just got me another funded account right there. Ka-chow, as they say. Ka-chow. Let me rotate over to my Apex accounts. I'm copy trading 5 accounts right here. So let's see if we build out a little bear flag. Take us down to the VWAP.
Yeah, we can use this on stuff.
Let me bring my line down right there. All right, these are all 50K accounts right here. I will be rotating back to my Tradeify 150K accounts after this. Let's see if we get this bear flag. I want this candle to stay green for 9 seconds. I want this candle green. I don't want it red. I want it green. Even if it's a sliver of green, as long as it's green. All right, that worked. Want to see us build out a little flaggy flag. That pop-up does not concern me right now. It's not making me change my direction that I'm looking for right now, because we have to have a slight push up for the bear flag. We need the structure of the flag going in an upward direction, like up in this direction before we come down. Looking at that 5-minute wick, we do have some buying pressure down here. We do have some buying pressure, but we're gonna see what we get. We patiently wait. Guys, this is what separates good traders from okay traders. having patience. You have to wait for your move. If your move doesn't happen right then and there, guess what? You don't take a trade. And that's real. The hardest thing for trading is waiting. Because we know from the click of a button, we can make money. All right, so we just popped up. Until we get above that 21 EMA, I'm not looking for a long. And just so you know where my EMA is sitting at, it's right around 379. 379.75 is my 21 EMA on the 2 minute. So until we get above that 21 EMA, I'm not looking for a long.
Yeah, mine's actually at 384. That's interesting.
All right, did I say that wrong? My bad.
That is fair.
I meant 3. Believe it or not. Mine's currently at 375.25. I'm waiting. This is looking like a textbook bear flag right here, folks. Your boy's patiently waiting here. I'm not trying to front run it. I'm not front running this one because I feel like it's chopping just slightly on the structure of this. So I just want to wait. Them 10 contract. Did it work out for you last night, bro? All right, we're above the 21 EMA now. So let me get another line on this chart. I'm still not. I don't know. Ooh, this is getting interesting. Awesome, bro. Happy for you, bro. Yeah, I'm not trusting that slight push right there. All right, Brett. See you tonight, fam. Have a good day. We're currently sitting right at this 21 EMA. Are we getting ready to push? All right, let's build a bull flag right here. We got 2 minutes for this flag to potentially build itself. So let's see what we get. Because if we could build a flag above the 21 EMA, just on YouTube, then in my trading, can't even talk, trading community, I'm live with my market makers. So they get asked me questions in real time. So they could get real results. You know what I'm saying?
Real.
Let me actually see who we got in the Zoom today. I'm surprised Moose isn't here.
I'm gonna compatriot a Moose though.
Silk, how you doing, bro?
I am chilling. Just kind of waiting for something to happen.
I feel you on that, fam. I feel you on that.
That's the wisest stance he could do on a day like today, because he start jumping in and then just get chopped.
We got 37, pretty much 30 seconds left on this 2-minute candle. I'm looking for a bull flag. If we get a bull flag above this 21 EMA, your boy may go long as long as there's momentum. We got 15 seconds. Less than that now, but bulls are already trying to pump it a little bit.
Pump it. At least that candle glows red. It's like a gift to Dwayne.
We're still above this 21 EMA, but we're also consolidating slightly here. That's why I'm not like, oh, let's just jump.
What a day! What a day!
We were up like 6 points and just got dumped on at that count. Guys, what happened here? We're still inside the 50-minute range. I have that double bottom state right now. Right, this 330 area, but
That stop out. Took a swing on that one, didn't get it. I thought we were getting ready to push.
Two back-to-back dumps like that.
Where's that? My lucid.
for now, we're holding up the bottom of the range, but maybe this is like a big fucking head shoulders type thing. Big fucking thing.
Sometimes bleeding over like an announcer.
No, I got it. It was Mr. Silky Silk.
My bad.
Be your own. No, I'm playing on. All right, just made $1,000 on 2 accounts right there. We're lucid. We'll gladly take that. We will gladly take that. That's the move I was expecting. Yeah, perfect. They both copy traded. I made 1063 on one. On the other one, not bad. We will definitely take that. So I need less than a G left to get those 2 lucid accounts funded. And I'll do that tomorrow. So let me do these Tradeify Select accounts now. 150K accounts. One, 6, 6. Hey, let's go, Rob. Time. I should be dropping either today or Wednesday. I'm dropping a video on psychology. Hopefully that one helps you.
Tell me about your mother.
Tell me about your... Let's see if we build a flag. Yeah, I'm actually going to be sizing up an extra contract on this one. Since this is a 150K account. We got this pivot point right above us.
Oh. It'll probably be better for him if he did that now. Rock and roll. Dwayne and Steve would like to see a flag.
Definitely want to see a flag. I just let that one run way too much right there. That's a, what's it called? A eval. And instantly, I did not. That's the only thing I wish I had an ATM on, because I was in profit. Well, pull back super quick. I had no chance to close. And then it starts pulling back. Moose would say the retracement. The retracement. Have a good one, Rob. That was an eval. You know what I'm saying? Like, I thought I was going to be able to get something that I saw, but I didn't. I got it. I just wasn't fast enough on the close. Let me actually. Come on, Mousy Mouse. There we go. You gotta talk to the mouse sometimes. Like, come on, Mousy Mouse. You can do it. But with that retracement right there, I would honestly be. Let me just move this line over. Let's see if we possibly get us a bear flag here. We're back below that 21 EMA. Well, we were for a second there. When you clear the neckline of the body, do you need to clear the wick as well? I would prefer the follow through the wick. I don't just want to jump in because of the body of the candle. I want the full thing taken care of. BP, it's not bad. I've already made money in my funded accounts today. I copy traded on Lucid and Apex as well. Like,
Yo, BP man, how you doing?
We are slightly going sideways in the 15-minute range, but can't win them all. Can't win them all. I'm just doing evals right now, so I'm not even stressing since I've already made my $1,000 in my funded accounts today. Bro, why didn't you close, fam? If you were up 430, why didn't you close? Base hit it, bro. Hopefully tomorrow, I could get my Lucid accounts fully funded, because that would be pretty good. I was going for, bro. Listen, if you're at 430, bro, in the green, take the win, bro. Take the win. No, I get that. I get that. I don't know. I'm a sucker. When I see green, you know what I'm saying? Like 430 or more, you know what I'm saying? I like just to lock it in. That's just me. For next time. Yeah, that's the best part, right? There will be a next time. This may be trying to do a little bear flag right here. But I'm also feeling like I'm slightly bullish right now. Skunks, take your money and run, bro. Take your money and run.
Don't diddle in the middle. It's in the middle of the 15-minute orb.
Thank you, G. You just checked me. G just checked me without even checking me. You know, he's like, hey, don't diddle in the middle. And I was really ready to diddle. You know what I'm saying? I was ready to diddle. Have a good one, bro. Come on, Betsy.
Come on, baby. Yes.
Let's get away from this middle of this 15-minute range. I feel like this could be trying to do a bull flag right there. But we're in the middle of the 15-minute range, so be careful. Be careful. Come on, Betsy. Take me higher.
There you go, Duane. Nice trade, Duane.
Appreciate it. I had sitting some drawdown for a couple minutes there. Brandon pushed the button. I already did, bro. I already pushed the button.
Maybe this candle will close like in a new neighborhood so it can have some more fun elsewhere.
Yeah, I want us to stay above the pivot if we're going to try
absolutely.
testing the high of this range.
Absolutely. Agreed.
Yeah, I'm not going to trade this account again. I'm gonna call it on this one. Take the money and run. That's it. Take the money and run. What's up, Dre? Ooh, I could do that one. Which account is that? 07. Let me turn off the copy trader on this. I would like to see a flag. I really would like a flag. Come on, a little bit more, a little bit more. I wasn't quick enough on the trigger. Bam. Just got that account funded right there on that trade. So that'll give me a funded Lucid right there. Let me rotate to the next Lucid. And what I did on that trade, just so you know, I don't recommend some of you guys trading if you're trying to do the flag plays like I do. In order to build a bull flag, what does it have to do first? The structure of the flag has to come down.
So you play the reverse.
Exactly. And that's what I just did on that trade. Because I knew we would have to come down to build the flag. So that's all. You know what? Let me take this calculated risk and see if I could get a play on it. And we did. But at this point, I want to see a little bit cleaner of a flag. Maybe on like the 5 minute. Let's see what we got going on the 1 minute. Oh yeah, on the 1 minute, showing a flag right there. We're building structure right now, so. Dre, I'm glad you see me, bro. I'm glad you see me. It's nice to be seen. The closer we get to that pivot point, the more I'll wait. We do have buying pressure, so I want us to break through my yellow line. I just moved it up a little bit.
Hello, hello.
Johan, what's up, bro?
Good, good. Just got my Starbucks coffee.
Hey, let's go. What type of coffee do you drink?
It was pistache and extra shot.
Okay.
And latte. Are you in the trade?
No, not currently in trade. I'm getting ready. I want to jump in, targeting the high of this 15-minute range here. But I would like to see some more momentum. Right now we're slightly consolidating. I feel like we're getting ready to push, but I'm not trying to be jumping in before we're pushing.
Yeah, I was in the trade yesterday, and then I was scared because there was selling pressure, and so I got off for like a little profit, but then it worked out.
Hey, but at least you protected your capital, right?
Yeah.
Like, I'd rather get out not losing than getting out because I'm losing.
I'm in other trade this morning also, so it's good.
Okay.
GBP USD.
Right now we have some selling pressure up here, but if we could pop up out of the selling pressure, I'll be going long. We just cleared another wick there. It's tempting. It's tempting. I did not get filled. Let me take that off. That's so annoying, bro. That is so freaking annoying. God, man. Awusa. That's Aggie. That's Aggie right there, bro. Frick. Listen, I clicked it right when we cleared one of the wicks. Didn't get filled in that pop. Like, that's Agginess. That's just straight Agginess. I just gotta laugh at it because that's so freaking annoying. So annoying. Well, we just broke out of the 15-minute range to the high side here. My first target would be 615.50, 615.50. It's only about 5 to 10%. We normally keep pushing from the 15 high or low without retracing back to it. So let's see if we like come down, test the high of the 15-minute range, and then we continue up. That's what I would like, but Let me draw that right there as well, just in case we don't and we want to pop it.
Would you enter on the retracement now? If it retraces?
Not right now. Not currently with what just happened to me. I wouldn't trust myself on a retrace play. I would just be looking.
The instinct of buying, but you hesitated.
Yeah.
That's what. Yeah. You gotta be ahead of the move. It's good. Because yeah, the highs have a lot of liquidity.
Have a good one, BP.
But why do you enter market? Not market.
That's a good question. I've always done buy ask or sell bid.
You get a slightly better price.
Yeah.
I feel like I do, but I've never really entered buy market or sell market.
No, I researched it. It's like you get that incrementally better price. But
with the buy market.
Yeah. Like well, with a buy ask and a sell bid.
Okay.
You're a buyer. Oh yeah, there's a big gap on the 4 hour or 1 hour to be filled to the upside.
Okay. Well,
Yeah,
hopefully this
should
works.
push
If
up.
not, I'm gonna close this.
You should hold it for like 15 minutes. Seriously.
No, that's too long for me, Johan. I'm not built like you, fam. I'm not built like you.
There's a gap at 24,600 to be filled. Wait, what's your price right now? Because I can't see it in Zoom.
The price is currently 560, dancing around there.
560?
Yeah.
On my side it's like 490. So when I say 600, it should be 700 for you.
Okay. Let's see if we get this pump. If not, I'm just gonna close and lick my wounds It wants to, but lots of resistance up here and selling pressure. Tons of selling pressure up there. Let's see, we're building out structure for this flag here. Let's go, Bulls. Lots of selling pressure. That's why I'm thinking about just closing, taking the L on this one. I feel like it wants to keep going up, but I'm not trying to just sit around for it at this point. Let's see if we get the full pump here. because my first target is still up there. Let's see if the bulls flip this candle. Not liking this price movement right now. Not liking this price movement. I'm not looking at the chat right now since I'm in this trade. I'm just trying to see if I need to jump out or not. Yeah, look at that rejection. That's crazy.
I mean, it's a flag now, so it should break upwards.
Hopefully. Right now, we need the momentum. I hate being the trade while we're building the flag portion.
Well, you entered right there 4 minutes ago, right?
It's been a couple minutes now.
I'll tell you, it's longer than Twain likes to be in.
Way longer. I feel like Moose right now. I'm starting to sweat on my forehead.
He's grabbing his wall. I could see
Not
it.
yet.
We're growing white hair.
Let's see if they pump it.
As soon as you'll close, it's gonna pump.
I know. That's why I've been like, No, let's see if we get it right here. Let's see. This may be the pump right here. Let's see if we get it.
Pump it.
Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. This is brutal right now.
Oh, you're loving it.
No, I'm not. I'm holding the wall, Steve. I'm on the wall right now, fam.
Sweating bullets, man.
I've been waiting for you to hold the wall for months, man.
Hands are clammy.
Moose is the best. He'll go into he's like, my eyebrows are moist. It's like
My eyebrows are moist. Yeah, he's awesome.
And I remember when I would talk to the Alexa and it'd listen to my voice.
Yeah, that was crazy.
It's like it turned on the light in the closet.
The Bulls should push here. If they don't, I'm closing.
They're pushing. Come on, they're gonna give you a rocket.
Let's make a countdown. 10.
Oh God! Oh, don't do that, Johan! You started countdown.
Dang, that's crazy. That is crazy.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm bad luck.
Unbelievable, Johan. It be your own people, folks. It be your own people. Let's see if we recover here. If not, this is an eval. But it's still annoying. Still annoying. Come on, Bulls. You're making me wait way too long a day. I don't like this.
The wick is nice though.
Yeah, showing that buying pressure. Let's see if the Bulls finally pump it. I'm not really trusting them right now because we got a lot of selling pressure.
It went lower to take more liquidity to maybe bump up. Because it couldn't go higher, so it was like a wall there. Maybe if it breaks the wall.
We definitely, yeah, but the issue is the wall's right where my entry's at. That's the issue right now, folks. My entry is forcing the market down right now. I apologize.
As soon as it breaks the wall, it's gonna pump up.
Oh, 100%. We're coming up on 11 o'clock as well, so let's see if we pop it here. If not, I'll probably close, so I'm not in at 11.
Let's see if you can hold for 15 minutes.
Bro, this is probably the longest trade I've been in quite a while. I'll tell you that.
Okay, yes.
No, it doesn't look good. The pump failed.
We have not retested the high of that 15-minute range again yet. Come on, Betsy, take me higher. Come on, girl. I'm sweating over here. I'm sweating bullets. We got selling pressure right now. Are the Bulls going to step in and save me right now? Longest trade of my career right now, boys. Longest trade of my trading career so far. Hopefully this pays me a lot of money.
I'll send you a cupcake.
I appreciate that, Johan. All right, is this going to be the rocket ship finally? Still rejecting up there. Man.
Oh, it's good now. It's pumped up.
I got a target up there.
What's your target?
I can't really look away right now because I want to close if I need to. Let's see if I can just get green here. I'll probably just close. I'm not going to be greedy trying to hold for my target.
No, but there's a big gap to be filled.
No, I know that the gap's
in
there.
Right now on my screen. Oh no, my price is delayed. Okay. So yeah, the gap is at 605 or something.
We rejected up there again. Don't know how I feel about this. Let's see how they about pump it finally. Take me to the promised land.
Just sell it on the pump when it's up. Not now, not now. It's gonna pump more.
Sell it. Sell it. Close
Just
it.
a little bit more.
Close it.
Oh, too late. Okay.
Oh, I closed at 300. I lost 300.
No, wait. Wait, what? No, you made profit, no?
Oh man. Oh man. Whatever. Whatever.
All that just for that?
I closed at $300 green. I'm like, let me just close. And then it chopped right back down. But I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want to still go long.
What? Alright. I think the gap is almost filled now, so.
The gap was, let's look. 661. But you know what? I'm gonna take that as a sign that I should not be trading anymore. Still a really great day in the markets. Still a solid day in the market, so no complaints there.
Yeah, nice work today, bro.
You know, let me actually do my tally real quick. See how much we actually made a day. Let me pull my handy dandy calculator because, you know, Florida public schools. What can I say? What account did I put $128 in? Oh, okay. $737. 618.48 19. So that's a solid day right there. $6,900 in the green for the day. And are we starting to pump now? I see another bull flag. But Dwayne, just walk away, bro. Just freaking walk away. I know you see it.
Just close the chart. Close the chart. What are you doing? That's gambling. You don't want to gamble.
Oh, it's not gambling. I see a flag. Yeah, let me call it, like, if I keep trading, it will turn into not gambling. I just see the flag. But $6,900, Dwayne, walk away, sir. Walk freaking away.
You
Come
can
back
pretend
tomorrow.
you took a trade and see the price after.
So, well, hopefully you guys had a solid trading day as well today. This is a beautiful looking bull flag right there that I really, really want to take. I'm fighting not to. That's so hard. Just know I feel the same emotions y'all feel, okay? Just know that. Because I got this flag right here with buying pressure. Makes me want to take it. But I'm not going to. We're going to lock in our process for the day. I'm going to get off because if I sit around any longer, I'm going to take more trades and give money back to the market. So we're not doing that. So hopefully you guys have a solid rest of your day.
You too.
And I will see you guys tonight on the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time, where we're talking trading. We're talking life and everything in between, folks. Be blessed and stay safe in the markets, boys.
Likewise. Catch y'all later. See you guys.
All right, market makers.
All right, guys.
Thank you.
All right, Tube. I will catch y'all tonight. Be blessed. Stay safe.